Dear Jillian, I am struggling so much with feeling confident, especially at work. I know what I want to say and I practice, but I feel horrible at talking in meetings. When everybody looks at me, I instantly freeze and completely forget what I was going to say. And then what comes out doesn't even make sense or gets all jumbled. I really want my boss to like me, and someday I really want a promotion, but I feel like I'm completely screwing it all up. And then afterwards, I just feel mad at myself and awful. It's a horrible cycle. Please help. Friend. First, take a breath, because nothing in that letter tells me that you're bad at communication. It tells me that your brain is reacting to pressure, because when several people look at you at once, your nervous system activates, and then your thinking can temporarily shut down. Instead of trying to deliver the perfect sentence, get your brain back online. Give it a starting point, okay? So when it's your turn to speak, try taking that deep breath and saying, here's what I'm thinking, every time. When you start with the same simple sentence, it gives your thoughts somewhere to go. It activates that response system. And then once you start speaking, your ideas will naturally follow. Because confidence in a meeting is not about the perfect delivery. It's about teaching your brain how you want to begin. Okay, that's how your brain is going to move from pressure to clarity in that conversation. So every single time you start, here's what I'm thinking. Practice it like that so that it becomes muscle memory. It'll kick your amygdala back online so that you stop being in that fight or flight and help you to remember the rest of what you're saying because you've practiced it. There are going to be times in the meeting where you're not going to be able to practice what you're saying, right? So the most important part for you is keeping your body under control. You've got the words. They're in there. Our body can betray us, and that is not something that you did. If you don't feel safe, then that's how your body's going to respond. So the key here is reminding your body that you are safe and allowing your brain to be able to come up with all of those amazing things that you want to say. And good for you for being proactive and for wanting a promotion. This is part of what's going to get you there. You've already set your goals. You already have your intentions. And the next step is really just getting your body online. So start with one little sentence. Here's what I'm thinking. And you should be good for the rest. You've got this. You can do it. I believe in you. Go get that promotion, girl.